These are migration adapters, and these are used during the process of replacing a legacy control system. And this will help to minimize downtime in a plant. So the most desirable benefit is it will save time and money, and it will be error-free. So I will just show you how it works via plug and play. So here we have the swing arm of the legacy control system PLC5 by Rockwell, and we will just remove it from the legacy control system and then plug it into the migration adapter. So one job is done, and here we go with a new control system, S7-1500 by Siemens, and just plug it in, close the door, and we are done. And you can do it without any loop checks.